Hi guys, this is me again. So let's play with my Hardshell puppet and my dimple digit, my dimple butterfly dimple, and also my simple dimple and triple dimple, and last of all, my fidget spinner puppet or simple dimple spinner. And this is definitely DIY, so you don't have to make that. I only got this mesh from a ruler and there's no marble, so I got a stick. So let's try and review the dimples. First of all, my plastic heart puppet. That doesn't pop really loud, but I'll show you what pops loud, and it will be like something I will not tell. I will not tell, guys. I will not tell. What is the loudest puppet? After this will be the loudest puppet. Okay, flip it out. Sorry, just ignore that, cause there's a construction near my house. Okay, time for the loudest puppet. The dimple digit. Okay, let's start reviewing it. It's super loud on this side but Spanish with dots. But this is the quiet side with numbers but English. Okay, time to do it again, cause this is my favorite fidget. Okay, now for my dimple. If you want it to be paw shaped, should be like this. I like paw shaped because I always play it like this. Okay, time for the backward finger. Okay. Now time for my butterfly puppet. I always like this side, so let's try. Also, if you don't like to pop this, I would like to pop this one near the antenna. You know what? This antenna is annoying. Also, on the puppet, it's not annoying, but only on the simple dimple. Okay. Time for my favorite simple dimple. this isn't really loud, but I actually like the colors thanks to the store. I'm almost I'm almost wasting my time here, so let's be hurry and quick without speaking. Okay, time for my first simple dimple, but hard. Okay, okay, I think that's it, guys. Goodbye.